Hi guys, welcome to another wonderful video edition. Now in this particular special video, I'll be showing you how you can trade the high impact news like a pro. I'm sure that the moment you start trading forex, your mentor will always tell you do not trade high impact news. Why? Because the news is highly volatile, right? Now in this particular video, I'll be going straight to the point on how you can even start trading news, even as a newbie, right? Now this is going to be a very broad topic, but because of this edition, I will make sure I cut it short. I will just go directly into one of the two things that you can see if you are trading the high impact news and what you should be looking out for in the market, right? Now in this particular episode, I'll be talking about two types of charts you should be watching out for the moment you are about to take the news, right? Now let's say for instance, price has broken a level of a support or resistance. Let's say you have in an uptrend where price has been giving you higher highs, higher lows, right? Now you now discover that price has broken above a level of a resistance. At the moment you discover this, right, and the news is about to occur, so watch out how the market is going to be reacting around this region, right? So by the time you notice that price is reluctantly coming into this level of support, like a sluggish pullback, now the candlestick will be very tiny. You will discover that the movement of price is just centered around this particular area. Now this is a pattern. This type of pullback is really occurring in the market, especially with the kind of news that will work towards the market, chart patterns, right? Now, if you see something like this coming in on that news, there's every tendency that 50 or 60% of the time, the market will push in that direction. Why? Because it is coming back to find a support level that we will need price to push to the upside. The same thing can happen when you are in a downtrend, right? And you see that price have been giving you lower lows, lower high, and price has broken below a particular support, right? Now what price will do if price now find its way back into this resistance? There's every tendency that the news is about to follow the direction of the chart patterns that you see. Now if you go and backtest this type of strategy, you will notice that it's always occurring in the market. What you're going to discover is that the news will come out and the market will still be bearish, because it has come to a level of a strong resistance. And what do you do at a resistance? You sell at a resistance, then you buy at at a support, right? You can see you buy at a support, you sell at a resistance. So the moment you start seeing that price that broke significantly above a level of a resistance is now reluctantly coming back into a support zone, that is to let you know that the news has a tendency of pushing in that direction, right? So that is a continuation of the pattern. And this one example I'll be showing you on the chart, what happened during the Joel Poel speech that happened few weeks ago. Now this is the chart that happened here. This was the push that happened on that particular day. You can see now what happened. Price broke right above this level of resistance. Now it came here as a support, it went back again. Now during that news, before the news came out, I saw the way the price was moving reluctantly. You can see, let me go to 15-minute time frame so I can see it accurately. Now on the 15-minute time frame, what do you notice? You notice that price was coming reluctantly into this area of support, right? With that was where you saw this push into this direction. You can see this is a very strong bullish momentum, and this always occur. If you are going to calculate this from here to here, it's over 5,000 pips on gold, right? Now this is a very strong high probability setup. It occurs almost every time on the chart. So this type of chart pattern, I want you to go and back test it and find a way to make sure you understand it properly. You can take a screenshot of this and go and back test it, do your own due diligence. This is always occurring in the market. So with this particular setup, you can trade the high impact news like a professional. This video was supposed to be very long, but I just have to go straight into the point so that you can understand how you can trade the high impact news. If you find value in this video, do it to like and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you more in the next video. Thank you.